Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the tags for YT Script app is and how it's positioned. Tags for YT Script appears to be a creator-focused utility designed to help YouTube creators generate tags or keywords that can be used in video metadata. Tools in this category typically allow users to enter a video topic or title and receive suggested tags that relate to the content. Information about YouTube optimization tools explains that tags are descriptive keywords that help the platform understand a video's topic and connect it with relevant searches and related content. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on documentation about YouTube tag generation tools, these apps generally analyze keywords from a video title or topic and produce a list of related tags. The goal of these suggestions is to help creators choose keywords that accurately describe their videos and improve discoverability in search results. Some tools also allow users to quickly copy generated tags so they can paste them directly into YouTube Studio during the upload process. This feature is commonly mentioned in tag generator tools, although the exact implementation inside this specific app may vary and should be considered a possible capability rather than a confirmed one. YouTube Creator Guidance generally notes that tags are only one part of video metadata and typically work alongside the title, description, and thumbnail to help viewers find content. This app may be useful for creators who want a faster way to brainstorm tags instead of researching keywords manually. For users interested in improving video discoverability or organizing YouTube metadata more efficiently, this could be an option to explore. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.